Hi, friends. Good morning, and I wish you had a good weekend with your family. So, last week we had, or last Friday rather, we had a huge, uh, I think, tremendous selling pressure. So, we had only puts which we traded. These are the levels which we had shared. Okay. So we went on, looking at puts. In fact, our call said now we shared never got activated. If you remember, I had mentioned last week I'm expecting selling to happen in Reliance. Likewise, there was about 2% down on the Friday. Okay. So, having said that, some stock picks which I am looking at today is in the F&O. Okay. Is AU Bank, JK Cement, IRCTC, Syngene, and a few others, Pidilite at Bajaj Finance, and Evans. On the equity front, swing picks, I'm looking at currently JSW Energy. Uh, looks like a good uptrend may start. Uh, it has been consolidating for quite some time here. And let's see, let's look at the charts. If you see the charts, there will be some resistance over here. Okay. It's been trading within this range for a long time. I'm looking at some uh, few gains. Maybe there will be resistance there. Let us see. Uh, and apart from that, I'm also looking at JSW Steel as well for a good entry, possibly about 935.40. I will look to buy. But currently, if we see the Reliance is heavily weak, okay, and a slight bounce back definitely is possible. If you also look at the SBI, the same has been reflected. This also is very weak. There was a huge fall in these stocks, and NDC somehow been just silently been trading in its own territory. Now, what are the levels I'm looking at? I'll share you the levels here. So today, if there is a gap down 24,700, I will look to go now. Else, I'm looking at 25,000 to go long. Okay. Apart from that, if it goes below 24,580, then I will look for shorting. Again, I will look at shorting maybe at somewhere at 24,997 levels, depending how the price behaves here. Okay, please remember how price behaves that I will look at. In the case of Bank Nifty, I am looking to go long here and I'm looking to go short here. Okay, there might be possibilities that let me just look at the way it is moved. Almost how many points? 930 points, right? 930 points is huge. Okay, so I will look to short in case price moves like this. If I see a pattern, I will look to go short. However, if price moves above this blue, I will be looking to go long. Uh, having said that, I will look at the live market. I will again plot the charts. These are tentative levels which I am looking at. Okay. Midcap expiry. So let's look at midcap. Midcap also I am looking to go. Let me see. I'm just watching what is the move from here. Uh, let's see what. Okay. Another move from here is what we observe. Okay, I'm just calculating. Give me a minute. Sorry for the. So, mm, I will look if price moves here. Okay, these are going to be my next levels. Okay, here I am looking at long side. Below this, I'm looking for short. Somewhere here, I may close my short. Again, let us see how the big players operate. These are my observations. These are my levels. Okay, you see, I get this trend line breakout, or rather, it is sitting at the trend here. Same with Nifty, it is in a different direction. But you see the bank Nifty also in a different direction. Midcap is slightly at the support. We will see how it behaves. Because I mentioned doesn't mean it is at support. Because here, if you see, there's a different trend line. Correct? Took long here. It may buy here, or it may break down and come down. So we will have to look at. But definitely this particular price 13,099 is going to be a different ball game. It's a very important level today. We will see how it works. Okay. Uh, so thank you. And we are also having one training session. The first class will be for swing trading exclusively, simple strategy. I will be looking for how to identify good swing trades. So within about a week to 15 days, can we expect 20%? Those stocks will learn. I just whatever I have learned, I will be sharing at a cost. And if you want more detailed analysis, understanding charts, patterns, chart patterns, fact breakouts, break-ins, I mean breakouts, or all that, how to identify breakouts. There's also a strategy where you can uh, watch market live, how the big players enter, exit. Those also I'll be training. So that's a little advanced class. We'll be charging around 5,000 rupees. Interested, please join. I mean, ping us and we will guide accordingly. So good luck. God bless you all and have a profitable day today.